In a test experiment on a model aeroplane in a wind tunnel, the flow speed on the upper and the lower surface of wings are 70 and 63 meter per second respectively. What is the lift on the wings if the surface area is 2.5 meter square and density of air is 1.3? So we know that the value of net uplift will be equal to nothing but half into rho into v1 square minus v2 square into area. So we can substitute this value over here. This is half into density of air is given as 1.3 and velocity on the upper surface is given as nothing but 70. So it is 70 square minus velocity on the lower surface, that is 63 square, into area. Area is 2.5. So you can write this is equal to half into 1.3 into 70 square, we can take it as 4900 minus 3969 into 2.5, which we can take it as 1 by 2 into 1.3 into 4900 minus 3969, which we'll get as around 931 into 2.5. So if you're calculating it, you will get the answer as 1512.875, or you can write this is equal to 1.51 into 10 raised to minus 3.